So coming to the pattern number 2, this is my expectation. On the screen, I want to print stars like this. I want these many stars, around 5 stars. I want one below the other. How will you do it? It's very simple. So what you need to do is you now have to repeat the same statement, the previously that whatever I have told again and again. So if you want, you can copy and paste the code again and again, but again, you as a programmer should never write redundant programming. So hence what you need to do, you now have to use the concept of loops. So I will now write the loop as for int I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. Inside this, what I now have to tell, I now will tell system dot out dot println, print the star. I'll now close this. So if you now write this much 100%, you will now be getting the given pattern. Whether really it will work or not, let's check it out.